Giant friends, we are here Healthy Organic Farm. We having now 4 bed here. Why I kept vermicompost bed here means this soil is not that much giving growth of the plant. So we having upside 15 bed. Apart from that, we kept some bed here. You can see grass in between the that bed. Actually, due to rain, you can't control that breed and all grass and all raining time. So you need to remove day by day and it will be go over. But initial who is doing composting, no need to worry of these things and all. People will say that no, this is you need to proper clean. Yes, you need to keep proper, but raining time, as much as you can possible you do. If it will be clean also, it is very good. I will show you now bed. This is vermicompost bed. I can show the quality of the vermicompost here. You can see the quality of the compost. So if you having less sale of vermicompost, what you need to do, you should not remove vermicompost from bed. You should keep as it is till you required. Otherwise the nutrients will be destroyed. It will dry, it will go. We having now, this is now worms went downside. So morning time if you will see means full of worms it will available. So you need to keep that 30 feet into 3 feet 4 feet based on your maintenance and requirement. We having here 4 bed. It is big bed, one bed, one trolley of cow dung. We are taking cow dung from a local villager who is doing farming and keeping desi cow dung. Why I am using it? Because we are not here to do business only, we are here to support our farmers also. So directly we are procuring from farmers that dungs, and the same it is giving to, if farmer required means we are giving them on very less cost. Whereas in Bangalore we are giving to household, that is also very minimal cost, because we are not mixing any sand, soil or anything. We having that genuine compost we having. You can see this one. You can see we having only using that cow dung, as well as we are keeping some earthworm. We are using Australian breed, Australia fedita. That is it is multiply very fast, as well as that is work 24 hours. Some Indian breeds also available, but that is not that much good. So you need to use this Australian breed. If you require earthworm, we having earthworm also. We are providing on very minimum rate, as well as vermicompost, neem cake production we also have, pot mix also we are doing. So we having this and all. Whereas if any farm who anyone is constructing, if you having less growing area of soil, what you need to do means you need to keep some bed of vermicompost of some areas, and that same you can use for your plant also, as well as it will be help for that particular area, that growth of plant also. You can see we kept in between bed, we kept moringa. You can see the moringa. Previously here no plantation can grow, because this is stone area fully, that is, and nutrients is very less. Now you can see that moringa growth, as well as we having some fruits also in moringa. So you can see that what is the difference. You can see live difference here, that in between you can keep some plantation in between of bed, not permanent plantation, but some plantation you can keep. That will be useful for you can see live that growth also, as well as that plant will also grow. You can use that same plant moringa. If we having moringa, we can use moringa also, as well as moringa leaf, dry cell powder we are making of moringa leaf. And apart from that, that will be used for protein as well, and many disease Ayurveda suggesting to use this one. So we having n number of you can do in this things, even though if you are doing for own farm as well as for business purpose also. So this is all about our vermicompost bed. So you can anyway any person having terrace garden, they can do a small patch of area also vermicomposting. They can use that kitchen waste for that one, and kitchen waste is very good, and earthworm will be eat very fast, and it will be like useful for your home garden, and as well as the waste also, it will not be waste, will become very useful for your own purpose. So you can use for kitchen also. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.